start this video out. Super crazy. That's all I can say. I just had a video fail, or a whole entire look fail, and then I came up with this look, and we're gonna just jump into it. We're gonna do it, and we'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna talk through it, and yeah, I'm going to prime my face with Too Faced Hangover RX. I will tell you what I'm going to do because I look crazy. It's gonna be so simple for you because for anyone, this collar isn't exactly necessary. It's just up to you. I did get this at a costume shop for $5, and yeah, the look we're doing is basically like, you can tell your people, the people who you'll be with on Halloween, if they ask why don't you have any color on your face. We're doing Charlie Chaplin, but we're doing Charlene Chaplin. I'm taking the CoverGirl L20 Light Ivory shade because we are going to kind of make ourselves lighter than normal because it is a black and white look. I have wig hair everywhere. I'm just going to put that on with our hands because I don't know where my brush is. And anyway, we're going to kind of give ourselves a very blank canvas. And Charlie Chaplin's eye makeup is very smudged, so like a lot of things can be done. Let me get my mirror because I don't know what I'm doing. A lot of things can be done with your fingers. I was like, I had a train of thought going and I've lost it. So I just put on the Born This Way. No, what is this? Yeah, Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in Snow. And we're just going to blend that in. Like, I thought, you know, my last video was very, like, much, I was doing really detailed filming. But I thought, you know what, if I'm going to do this, I'm just going to sit down and I'm going to do it. And we're going to just talk. I'm going to tell you all the issues I just had. OMG. Okay, so now we're pretty whited out down the neck. Like I said, this is going to be a speedy process. And, you know, back then they had very round cheeks and everything, so we really, no contour necessary. We're really going to focus on the eyes and the lips. So we need to set all of this because it is tight. So I'm going to take my, what is this amazingness? Airspun powder. Anyway, you guys, I have my filming space all set up, and I'm happy to be back here on YouTube. I'm going to be incorporating more regular videos. I think, you know, I've been uploading my Instagram videos to here. Doesn't seem like you guys like that, but you know, you never know. Some people don't have Instagram. So I'm like, well, this look can be seen on other parts of the internet, so I put it there and I put it on my Facebook and everything. Okay, so now we're pretty paled out, if I do say so. So what we're gonna do is get really smudgy in the eyes because Charlie Chaplin's eyes are very like smudged out. Sorry if this wig cap is distracting. I'm gonna go in with a tight liner, and then we're gonna go in and just smudge over it with black shadow. And we're gonna apply mascara because they definitely had lashes back in the day for, you know, batting their lashes and stuff like that. And then I think we'll do a dark lip, maybe add a mole, you know. Put on our $5 wig, put on our $6 bowler hat, and call it a look. Okay, so we're going to tightline this baby. Messily. And then use our finger to smudge it out. And we will add shadow, but toe tat. You know, sometimes I think I have pieces of wig hair in my hair, but no, it's just my coarse hair. I have these really crazy black hairs. Okay, a little bit on the top here. I feel like they just really... He had a sloppy way of doing his makeup, but it worked. He just wants that darkness around his eyes. Okay, so we have that darkness around there. We're going to take our finger, we're going to go into our Born to Run palette, or any palette that you have a dark shade in. We're going to use the shade Jet, which is the black one. Take our ring finger, and yeah, go to town on the lash lines. You can actually close your eye too, and then it'll go onto the bottom. Just get it around there, you know. Oh, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna apply a heck of a lot of mascara. I'm using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, right? Superhero Mascara. I'm gonna apply a bunch of them. We're gonna come back, put on our lips, put on our mole, put on our wig, put on our bowler hat, and call it a look. So I gave Charlene proper black dress underneath the collar, just to kind of, because y'all aren't gonna be without clothes like I was just now, and I took off my wig cap because things happened. Okay, so I'm gonna add them all randomly. She looks like she'd have them all here. Yeah? My nose got destroyed by my dress. Hold on 1 second. We put on the mascara, okay? And we're going to just do the lip. I'm gonna pick whatever lip that I want. This one's called Crush by IBY. I'm gonna put that on really quick. And I'm actually gonna do this off camera because I'm afraid my battery's gonna die. Thank you for coming along this crazy ride with me after just a uninspiring night. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on the wig and the hat, and we'll see the completed look and see if we need to do anything else to adjust it. We have Charlene Chaplin. Now Charlie Chaplin had kind of unruly curly hair, so I feel like her having this unruly bob, blunt cut, comedic kind of style hair, unkempt. She's funny. She wears a man's hat. She's edgy. She's a 5-minute makeup. She's easy, you know? You just gotta shop around and get creative with what you have, and yeah, you know? How much fun are we having right now? Thank you for watching this very quick tutorial on Charlene Chaplin. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It made up for so much disappointment I had on another look. So I hope you guys like this. It was really actually fun to put together, like really quick. And yeah, if you recreate it, let me know. If you don't, let me know. If you hated it, don't tell me, because let me just show you. It's 1:21 a.m. This is what I did today. So, Charlene Chaplin. There you are, baby. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Happy Halloween. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.